Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Andy from MrYouWho, and today I'm really excited to introduce to you the Earfun Air Pro earbuds. These little guys have a lot to offer, and I can't wait to dive in and show you all the features. And here are the earbuds just here. So guys, to start with, we're going to unbox them, take a look at the build and design, test out the sound quality, and even see how they perform in real life situations, like walking, running, and chilling at the beach. So guys, let's get started. And to start with, we're going to do an unboxing so you guys can see exactly how they look. So first off, let's talk about the unboxing experience. The Earfun Air Pro 4 comes in a sleek, compact box that feels really premium. Inside, you find the earbuds themselves, a charging case, a USB-C charging cable, multiple ear tips to ensure the perfect fit, and of course, the user manual. The case is small enough to fit into any bag or jacket or even your pocket. It makes these guys' earbuds super travel friendly. Lights on the outside of the case indicate how much battery life you've got left as well. So you guys can tell whether it's going down or whether going up, which is really, really handy if you're out and about. And like MrYouWho, if you always forget to charge your earbuds. Bless me, that's what I do. Now guys, I want to talk now a bit about the design of the Earfun Air Pro 4 earbuds. Now the great thing is these adopt the newest Bluetooth 5.0 chipset with a high resolution decoder built in. So what this basically means is you get extraordinary hi-fi sound with low latency and work flawlessly at a distance of up to 49 feet or around 15 meters. I actually tested these myself walking around my house and they work quite well. The connection was ultra stable and it's perfect for those who need reliable performance on the go. So guys, very, very good Bluetooth connection. Now one of the standout features of the Earfun Air Pro 4 is the IPX7 waterproof rating. Now why that's good is when you're actually going out and about, say if you drop them into water or drop them out and about, they're actually protected. Now this is thanks to Earfun's innovative SweatShield technology. SweatShield, weird name isn't it? This basically means the internal circuits are hermetically sealed, keeping every single drop of sweat out. So whether you're kayaking, like I'm about to do out here in Gold Coast, surfing, or just having an intense workout session, these earbuds are built to withstand it all. It's really a game changer for those who love to stay, waterproof. I like to go to the beach a lot, which I'm going to go show you guys shortly. Getting out to the sand, you really don't want your earbuds to be damaged at all. Now, actually, I accidentally dropped these while washing dishes in the sink, and not only were they perfectly fine, they survived. So the IPX7 rating ensures the device can be submerged in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without damaging it. Now, guys, don't necessarily do that yourselves, but it gives you guys an idea about the level of protection you can use with these earbuds. They really are good. So charging these earbuds is a simple breeze as well. You have two options. You've got the USB-C charger there or a QI wireless charger. So a quick 10-minute charge gives you around 2 hours of listening time. And it takes just 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds. The dual charging method offers quite a lot of flexibility, which I don't mind, it's quite good. And also with these earbuds, they're not too expensive too. So you're getting, I guess, the features you'd expect, but they really do round it out. So for those who make a lot of phone calls, how about the microphones? Well, the biannual stereo call function is a real treat. It delivers clear stereo sound, making your calls feel natural. So in there you have the microphones based in the earbuds just there. So you put them in there and they work well. So you've got 6 microphones in total, 3 in each ear. And it's got ENC technology as well, so it adapts the noise cancelling depending on the environment you're in as well. Another feature I like is the intelligent voice assistant. So Earfun Air Pro 4 earbuds allow you to control your mobile device and pick up calls safely and conveniently. All you need to do is OK Google or OK Siri and actually answer the phone calls. Particularly useful when driving, when using other tasks that require your full attention. So I use that quite a lot. I also use it to change songs as I'm scooting around or driving around. The earbuds themselves have 10mm composite dynamic drivers in there, so you get astonishing sound quality while using them. So they're very, very good with that. And the Quiet 3.0 adaptive noise cancellation really does reduce the sound. So I test them out and about. They say they can get up to 50 decibels of sound reduction. They're probably not up there with the JBL most expensive ones, but they did do really well with reducing noise cancellation. And going back to the advanced mics, they've got AI algorithm, 8.0 tech with CVC, which ensures clarity during calls. So I used them on calls and they were very good. We've also got the Earfun audio app. Now it allows you to actually be able to tailor the devices, so you can tailor the functions, how it switches, the different music types as well. It worked very, very well as well. And finally, it's got under 50 ms ultra low latency, which means it's very good when you're gaming. So after 52 hours of playtime with the case, just here. So by themselves, they got 11 hours in each earbud, which is great. So 41 hours again in the case. So guys, when you're not using them, pop them into the case. They charge automatically. You shouldn't have to worry about using them. And a quick 10-minute charge gets you 2 hours of battery life. It's really good. They also have Google Fast Pair as well, which means it connects very quickly to your device. And also has Auracast and LE Audio as well, which will be available on firmware update, so which is good. So guys, MrYouWho's all about doing demonstrations. So I'm going to go and do a live demonstration now of these earbuds running out and about. So as you can see, here I am at Surfers Paradise, walking along the beach. Here I'm using the Earfun earbuds on the beach. And as you can see, there they are, just there in the ears. They fit really well, feel really comfortable. And they're blocking out a lot of the background noise there of the ocean too, which is great. So you can see this is actually in winter here in Australia, the beautiful Gold Coast, as you can see there. And what a place to wear earbuds on the beach. It really is fantastic. There's nothing nicer than running along the beach, having the earbuds on, you know, pumping out some good music, getting fit, and having the sea air coming back as well. And that's because the ergonomic fit in the ears is a huge plus for anyone that stays active. Sweat resistance means when I'm building up real sweat doing the workouts, you know, they kept really good for me when I was doing it. So didn't have to worry about them falling out. Didn't have to worry about them, you know, not working properly or falling into the sand. They worked quite well. So speaking of workouts, okay, I've just given the Earfun Air Pro a workout running along the Kangaroo Points here in Queensland, Australia, in Brisbane. As you can see, it's a beautiful place to run. And when you've got a beautiful place to run, you want great earbuds. Well, these earbuds are fantastic. They fit so well in the ears. The noise cancelling is perfect. But most of all, it's got great sound. They sound really, really good. So been enjoying listening to them. And look at them there. They fit so well in the ears. Don't move at all. Look at that. And there's my running track just there. So I'll be running down there as well, all around there. And they were perfect for my earbuds. And there's all the road noise there. Couldn't hear any road noise. These sounded great. So yeah, great all-round earbuds. To start with, they fit snug when I'm working out. They don't move at all on the ears. So if I put them in my head just here to give you an idea, you see here, they're not moving around at all, which is really good with them. You can change ear tips if you need to. The sound quality also is fantastic. Deep bass and clear highs. They keep me motivated through my entire workout. Guys, I love to listen to house music and dance music. And I love the beats to go up. Earbuds are really good. You're getting a lot of premium features at a budget price. You're getting the adaptive noise cancelling, high-res audio, long battery life, and a robust build quality, all at a very good price. They perform very, very well out and about compared to other budget earbuds. So I'd say you're paying a little bit more, but you're not paying too much. And for that, you're getting a great advantage. So guys, the Earfun Air Pro 4 are really good. They've really stood out as a great high quality, budget friendly earbud that people can get. So before we wrap up, let's do a quick reminder. If you love our videos, love watching MrYouWho, then let me know. Put comments below. If you want to see us using these earbuds out anywhere else, like we use them at Kangaroo Point in Brisbane, the Gold Coast, running out and about, up to you guys to see what they're like. But these are really good earbuds. So make sure you like the video, click the notification button. Thanks for all your support. It's really appreciated. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.